the comment on inflation might have been read by the market in a particular way. But I would go by something else in the policy statement, which is the expectation of growth. And if the expectation of growth is 5 to 6%, I think we will see an interesting year ahead.
But when do you realistically expect the rate cycle to turn? Because that's something that everyone's now looking forward to.
What I guess the Reserve Bank is doing is trying to assess or get more comfort on the inflationary situation. And hopefully in the next quarter we should have clarity on that. And that should then allow them to take a view on the rate cycle.
So you're hopeful of a rate cut in this financial year, FY15?
I would clearly think so, unless we have a disaster for the monsoon. But otherwise we should have rates starting to adjust, particularly if economic activity picks up, as I expect it will during this year.
So what, according to you, is driving the rally that we're seeing in the equity markets? Is it on the back of improved macros, or is it on the back of a hope that we will have a strong and stable government later?
I think at this point in time it is on the latter, that is on the hope that you will have a better
government.
A government which can take decisions and provide clarity on some of the issues which has been holding up growth. I think that's what is driving the market at this point in time. But I am surprised that in the last 2 weeks or so, I find PE firms suddenly saying we are interested in buying assets. Cash-rich companies saying we may be interested in buying a block of assets. So I just watch and observe, and I see that there's a change in the buying habit, as it were, which 3 months back, you said that I'm not interested in anything. Now you're interested to look. You may still execute the deal a few months from now or a few weeks from now. But at this point, you're willing to see. So clearly, it shows that there is a change in the mood.
So you've seen governments come and go. You've seen regimes change. But in a sense, do you get that a lot is riding on this election like probably never before, at least not in the recent past?
I think, see, when I look back, I believe that we were on a path which I thought was going to be very difficult for you to be pushed off. And that was the 8-9% growth path. I was proven wrong. Over the last 2-3 years, we got pushed down, I would say, year after year. From that point of view, as a nation, I think we need to get back to that 8 to 9% growth path. And if we are able to do that with a strong government, I think that's what this nation needs at this point in time. And that's what we look forward to. There are projects which are completed or 3/4 of a way complete or half complete, which all provide you momentum to grow.
So you don't think the journey back to this 8-9% growth, or you think that the journey back to this 8-9% growth is agnostic to the nature of political government? As long as we have a stable government, we will get there.
I would believe so. I would believe so. And the more stable, the quicker. But otherwise, we will get there.